Before you run your first scan or hacking tool, you need a safe place to practice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a completely isolated ethical hacking lab using Kali Linux in a virtual machine, plus a vulnerable target like OWASP Juice Shop or Metasploitable. This is 100% legal, zero risk, and perfect for beginners and professionals who want hands-on penetration testing experience. Let's get started. You can use VMware or Oracle VirtualBox, but in our case we are going to use Oracle VirtualBox to set up the entire virtualization process. First, head over to the official VirtualBox or VMware website and download the installer. In my case, I have already downloaded the installer, so I'm going to pause it. Next, go to the Kali Linux official website and download the ISO image. Pick the 64-bit installer version of the virtual machines. This is the operating system we will use for penetration testing and cybersecurity training. Now that you have downloaded the Kali Linux ISO, it is time to install the VirtualBox where the Kali Linux will run. Now that we have installed the VirtualBox successfully, the next step will open up VirtualBox, then click New or create a new virtual machine. Also, we need to give our our virtual machine a name, for example, Kali Linux. Next, allocate your system resources. Here is what I recommend. RAM should be at least 4 GB RAM. The CPU cores should be at least 2, and the disk size should be at least 25 to 50 GB, which is dynamically allocated. Check if everything is configured correctly, then click Finish. Now hit Start. This will boot the installer and launch the Kali Linux setup. Once your virtual machine boots from the ISO, you will see the Kali Linux installation menu. Select Graphical Install. It is the easiest option, especially for beginners. Now go through the steps. First, choose your language and region. This will set your keyboard layout and time zone. Set a host name. You can simply use Kali. Then create a username and password. This will be your main login account, so choose something you remember. Partition the disk, select guided, use the entire disk. Since this is a virtual machine, it won't affect your real system.